Mihira, I need you to keep a close eye on Mrs. Paul in room 302. She's post-op from a hip replacement and is at risk for delirium. We've seen an increase in post-operative delirium cases lately. Ensure she's oriented to time, place, and person. Encourage early mobilization as soon as possible.
Understood, Linda. I'll make sure to reorient her frequently and assist with ambulation. Should I be monitoring her vital signs more closely?
Absolutely. We want to catch any early signs of infection or complications. Also, pay attention to her pain management. Uncontrolled pain can contribute to delirium. Make sure she's comfortable.
Will do. I'll keep an eye on her pain levels and administer pain medication as ordered. Should I involve the physical therapy team earlier than usual?
That's a good point, Mihira. Early mobilization is crucial for preventing complications. Let's get them involved tomorrow morning. The goal is to get her out of bed and walk as soon as possible.
Mihira, I want you to know that your body is doing something incredibly powerful right now, and it's completely normal to feel a bit more unsteady or off balance as your pregnancy progresses. The good news is that there are gentle, loving ways you can protect yourself and your baby from falls, starting with small adjustments to your daily rhythm. When you rise from sitting or lying down, imagine moving like water, slowly, patiently, first swinging your legs over the edge of the bed or chair, then pausing to let any dizziness pass before standing fully. Sudden twists or quick changes in direction can catch your center of gravity off guard, so try to turn your whole body rather than just your waist. At home, a nightlight in the hallway or bathroom can be a quiet guardian, turning a midnight trip to the toilet into a safe, predictable path. To keep your body strong and stable, certain exercises are wonderfully gentle and supportive. Pelvic tilts, where you lie on your side with knees bent and gently rock your pelvis forward and back, ease lower back tension and improve core awareness. In prenatal yoga, a supported child's pose with a cushion under your chest or a seated cat-cow stretch on a sturdy chair can release strain without risking a fall. Seated leg lifts, simply lifting one foot an inch off the floor while sitting tall, build hip strength without any wobble. Mihira, these movements aren't about effort but about connection, reminding your body that it is capable, steady, and safe.